In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix the error performing query on Facebook. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Facebook app. So we need to actually close our Facebook app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app on our phone. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, then what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on general, as you can see. So click on general, and then it should actually take you to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down a little bit and then click on storage, as you can see. And by the way, just for your information, this might take a couple of seconds, even for some of you, maybe a couple of minutes, depending on how many actually usage that you currently, or how many storage that you're currently using on your phone, basically. So if if you're nearly out of storage, it's going to take a couple of minutes to load this, basically. So now we're just going to scroll down in here. And then we're going to click on Facebook. So click on Facebook, now click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just going to load a couple of seconds, so just wait. And then click on the blue button here again. Now you will automatically get the newest update for Facebook, and it's going to fix that error as well. At least it did so for me. So I hope that this will also fix this issue for you as well. So just wait a couple of seconds for it to actually auto update, and then hopefully it will now be fixed.